Hey girl, hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. So on today's video, I am doing a review and bringing you guys this gorgeous makeup look, and it's featuring this gorgeous palette. The moment you guys are gonna hear my thoughts about them, you guys are gonna see what shadows I used to create this look. But if you guys are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Comment down below what are your favorite videos to watch so I can create more like that. So enough talking, let's jump right into this look, you guys. So I have basically a full face except for my eyeshadows because I went to go do errands. Can you guys believe it? I can't believe it that I'm saying it. I went to go do errands. Is that how you even say it? But yes, we went. Me and my daughter, we went to Costco, we went to Petco, we went to Target, and yeah, in Five and Below, which everything's like in the same little plaza. So, you know, I didn't have to drive different other places. I just had to park, which I hate parking. I suck at parking. I'm learning how to park. So yeah, I'm just so excited, you guys. I'm so happy for myself because I'm finally doing it. So the moment has arrived, you guys, by Dominique, the one and only. Oh, you guys, she is just so beautiful. All her videos just inspire me to keep going. I feel like we kind of started at the same time. I was able to meet her and everything. She is just so freaking gorgeous and so down to earth. No matter how many numbers she has and views, she's still the same. She's so sweet. So this is her palette, the moment, you guys, and the packaging is so pretty. It's kind of like, I'm not good at material, but it's just really sleek. So in the back, it shows the colors of the shadows with the name, and right here in the little cover thing, the little thing, it says letting go is the key to happiness. Here is how the packaging looks, you guys. It just reminds me spring, water, fresh. Now, are you guys ready? Look at the colors. The colors are just gorgeous. I was gonna use this palette yesterday for my birthday, but I'm like, yeah, by the way, my birthday was yesterday, March 31st. I don't know when I'm uploading this, but I had to use Selena's makeup. So I did a full tutorial of Selena. I might post it on here as a short, or just go to my Instagram. It's on the reels. But these shadows, you guys, they are just so pigmented. They're beautiful. So that she named them Stepping Out, and then wait, let me look at my card. So it's from right here going down. It's Stepping Out, Elevated, Mesmerized, Eccentric, Life of the Party, which is this one. Life of the Party, and then down is Embrace, Dinero, and then After Hours, La Noche, and Midnight Haze. These two colors, just this one, and this one, just scream out. And then I know she did a video where she also used Elevated, I think, or Eccentrics as contour. I love a good palette that has neutrals and then some shimmers, and then you can also use it on your face. That is just a must. So I don't know what color I'm gonna do. I wanted it to do something with that blue that's calling on my name, which is Life of the Party, or something neutral, but she created this palette obviously so we can use our colors, us the neutral girls that love our, you know, neutral colors. So I'm gonna start off with her eyeshadow base. So she also sent out her eyeshadow base, which comes in this packaging. I love how she has like little, you know, scripts that lift you up. That is just perfect. So this is how the eyeshadow base looks. Going to add it on. Oh, I'd add a lot. Just a little bit goes a long way. I did add a lot, and I'm just going to blend it. By the way, I am still using the Sigma brushes, you guys, and I'm still trying to get a code. I just haven't been able to like we are like back and forth, me and Sigma, but I'm just going to apply it all over. I like that it doesn't dry that quick, and it's a nude color, so it will cover the imperfections in our lids. So girl, I've been driving so much. I've been so scared. One thing that has been helping me is having vapor rub. I seen a video on TikTok because I was looking for anxiety tips. I did buy some little gummies, which they didn't work at all. I'll show you guys which gummies I bought so you guys can save your money. But the vapor rub has been helping. So I'm looking like a crackhead in every stoplight, like sniffing the vapor rub, but it's been helping. It's been helping my breathing like just become deeper, and I guess it opens it more. I mean, I'm doing it even though I get like panic attack. Like, not a panic attack, like just my heart starts beating so fast when I have to park. When I have to park, girl, I had 2 cars beep at me. I think the first one I did. It was my fault. The second one, I'm like, lady, like, I'm trying to turn in one piece. I swear, people don't have patience. Okay, so I'm going to use Accentuals, and I'm also grabbing my Sigma brush, and I'm just going to apply it on my crease. This is just a gorgeous color. I'm sure I should use this one to contour, but it is pigmented, so a little bit goes a long way. Now I'm going to use Elevate and just apply it at the outer corner. I'm seriously winging this look out. I just not want to use that blue. I'm just winging it, this is usually the basics, but these shadows are really, really pigmented. Like a little bit you only need. You see that right there? I kind of messed up right there. It looks patchy, but you just need a little bit. I'm just going to smoke out the outer corners. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab some of her eyeshadow base, apply it on my hand, and then just grab a flat shader brush and cut the inner corner of my crease. I cut like to the middle. By the way, her mirror, it is super big. Look at how big that is. It's nice. I haven't even drank coffee and I feel like I have so much energy. I stopped because I've been burping like crazy and my stomach is still hurting. Not as bad, but it's still like hurting, like twisting. Okay, it works for this. So good, Christine. It's nice and creamy and it doesn't dry quick. Are you guys ready to see how the life of the party is? I barely tapped that on my lid. Oh my goodness, this is like a mermaid color. This is so beautiful. Mermaid and kind of Cinderella vibes. Wow. Oh my goodness. This thing is pigmented. And I don't know if you guys have noticed, no fallout. No fallouts. Good. So I'm just gonna apply more of the Elevate, which is a darker shade, on the outer corner. Bring it in. And now I'm gonna apply Elevate under my lash line. And now you guys know already, to make this look cleaner, I like to just grab my flat shader brush that I apply the base and just clean that in the outer edge. I'm gonna apply a little bit more of Accentual. That color is gorgeous. I'm gonna add a little bit of Embrace, just a little bit, on my brow bone, which I never really add color there, but just a little bit. Can you see it? Okay, so it's really light. I add in the inner corners. Okay, so I'm just gonna do some eyeliner that I've been using a lot, the one by Too Faced, the Better Than Sex eyeliner. And I'm gonna create a small wing in the outer corner because we have so much going on in the inner. So I'm just gonna create a small one. So I'm gonna be trying out this new lashes from Ardell. It says Light as Air. They're the numbers 522. And it says all the volume, half of the weight. Yeah, half the weight. So excited. And it even comes with a little glue in the bottom. So love Ardell lashes. So we have the lashes on. I cannot feel them. They are really, really lightweight. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply more of my contour, but this time I'm going to be using Accentuals from the palette, you guys. So I'm going to grab just a smaller, this brush right here. Just grab some. Okay, it does look like the shade that I have on. And right now what I have on is the Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil. But it looks like it. But it's so cool that you can even contour your face in one palette. And since we already have, you know, a lot going on in our eyes, I'm just gonna keep the lips neutral. But really loving this palette. I cannot wait to create more looks with it. You guys, let me know what shades you guys want me to dip in, where I can create another look for you guys. There's a fly flying over here. And my dogs are just looking at it like, you guys need to work and grab this fly. I'm gonna contour my nose with the same shade as well. Even though my face doesn't look like really done up since I have makeup on already. Spray my face, and I'm using Milani's Make It Last Flora. And then I'm gonna grab my foundation brush and just pat it to make everything look nice and seamless, and my camera's gonna die. Okay, I'm gonna do my lips and then come back and show you guys the final look. And here you guys have the completed look. So what I added on my lips was Makeup Forever lip liner in Anywhere Caffeine, you guys. This is small, and I'm also using Sigma's Cinderella Princess Lippy, which is like not a lip gloss, it's not a lip stain, it's a lipstick, I guess, but cream one. I love it. So freaking good, you guys. So I hope you guys love the look. I freaking love it because I'm wearing black, so it just stands out so much, you guys. But this palette is a must-have. It's pigmented. The colors are creamy. You need just a little bit, and I mean, you can even do your face and contour your face. I freaking love it. So I hope you guys love this look. The eyeshadow base too, it's really, really good. I love it. Christine, good job on this. This is so freaking bomb, girl. I freaking love it. I will be creating more looks for you guys with this amazing palette. So I hope you guys love this video. Please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and also comment down below what else would you guys like to watch. I'm gonna try my best, girl. I'm gonna order right now a little thing for my car so I can start vlogging. Hopefully it's good, because I do get scared, like I told you guys, start blogging and take you guys to the store, or just like a lifestyle videos with me, you guys. I love those videos, and I know you guys will love them too. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.